leaves a mark, a quiet trace in time. From thought to choice to action made, the seed begins its line. Some rest unseen beneath the ground, waiting for their turn. Some rise now as a lived experience through what we face and learn. The seeds of karma take their root in motive, thought, and will. They shape the paths we walk through life, and lessons growing still, from birth through life, from joy to pain. Each pattern finds its place until awareness turns within to meet the root, the base. Some seeds were planted long ago beyond the present view. Some bear their fruit in daily life through what we move through, and others form with every choice, each impulse, act, and aim. The future waits inside the now to take its shape and name. The seeds of karma take their root in motive, thought, and will. They shape the paths we walk through life, and lessons growing still, from birth through life, from joy to pain. Each pattern finds its place until awareness turns within to meet the root, the base. The cycle shifts when sight grows clear and causes come to light. No longer bound to outer form, the soul regains its sight by tending roots instead of fruit. Old patterns lose their hold. The current turns toward freedom's course, no longer tightly pulled. Through mindful living, steady choice, the seeds grow weak and few. The flow of life begins to serve what is enduring true. From inner clarity, the soul moves past repeated role, and karma loosens into light, aligned with deeper goal. Intentional.